Jylla Meghalaya minta kasi kalau kenjo umau mer basan pulai Snem ke Jingrakhe hadu ba la yo ya ke Jylla bapura haus Snem ke kendai Spanyo Park Office Subdivisional Officer ke Patharkhmah Civil Subdivision ringkat ke Office Block Development Officer ke Jingrakhe di Block minta kasi kalau rakhi ke Jingdap San pulai Snem ke Jylla Meghalaya pedeng ke Jing Ipo IP ha Palau ke Office BDO ha Jirang Block Hagadi kasi uba sasine soten MLA ke Jirang ula shiminta kum kongsan ha ke Jingedon lang uba MB Tongper SDO ke Patharkhmah Civil Subdivision upi hajok BDO Jirang CNRD Block PMS Walang CM ke Hima Jirang Dr. Margaret Lingdo Folklorist Jong ke University of Tartu Estonia ki Reurang ba nakathan Jirang ki SHGS lembat kiwi Hagati kasi lapan po pen shushu da ki Jingrai bat ki Jingshat bala shiminta da ka kenuhun bernai bat kiwe bat la yoru ban sam ye ki tablet che ki samla puli na kathan Jirang ki badairu ka thong jong umentri rang ba ka Jylla man kinti yo puli ka puthi khamtam ki samla ki nyo ban pen khre bha ye ki examen ling ba ki te ki tablet ka blamang da ka Chief Minister Student Digital Learning Scheme.
The economic empowerment and engagement of women to entrust and encourage women to come forward, give them space for their livelihood. This is the mission of our Honorable Chief Minister. That's why I stand here and we witnessed that many SSGs, VOs have been constituted in not only in Jirang constituency, Umling Block, Jirang Block, and whole of Riboy District and Meghalaya. There are many SSGs that have received the benefits from the office of the Honorable Chief Minister, the government of Meghalaya. High value horticulture kani ka aim kaba o Honorable Chief Minister udone ka jingtmu kuno ban kenteu hagabide baki kamrep bat kumju hagabide bat ki jingtung jingtep ki marso ki marbam baro connectivity ka regional committee ka regional connectivity ka ba Honorable Chief Minister ulashim kia na gabansa ka Jylla ka jongi but Banut Iaka ngaso banhapay ka purom ka bakraw ya ka MDA government leading by the National People's Party that many road infrastructures